Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. And today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Alo Yoga. So let me take you to the website, which is aloyoga.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Alo Yoga is a premium activewear brand offering stylish, high-performance yoga and athleisure apparel. Their collections combine comfort, innovation, and mindful design for movement, wellness, and everyday wear. With Alo Yoga, you can shop luxury activewear that supports both performance and lifestyle. So what you're waiting for? Come to the website, explore all about them, and if you want to buy something for yourself or for anyone you know, go ahead and do that. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Alo Yoga. Is it possible? Of course it is. You simply have to join the affiliate program of Alo Yoga, start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic, and when you bring sales to them, you will end up receiving commission. So, affiliates from which country can join their affiliate program, and to the consumers of which country can they promote in order to receive commission? No restrictions found. Regardless of your location or the location of your consumers, you will still be able to earn commission if you're bringing valid sell to Alo Yoga, assuming Alo Yoga provide the service or basically ship the products to that country of your consumers. All right, so let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, let me take you to the website called Sovereign Commerce. I'm going to mention that link in the video descriptions. Now, why are we talking about Sovereign Commerce and what does that have to do with Alo Yoga? So, Sovereign Commerce is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? The work is a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you must join the respective affiliate marketing network. In our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Alo Yoga, we have to join Sovereign Commerce as an affiliate, or rather publishers. Just so you know, Sovereign Commerce calls their affiliates as publishers and brands as advertisers, so don't get confused. Now, how do you create an account with Sovereign Commerce as a publisher? For that, you can simply click on sign up from the top right hand side. Again, you can click on the link that I'll mention in the video description. Once you're on the page, you can click on sign up, which will take you to the sign up page. Over here, you can either continue with Google or enter your email address followed by password, click on finish, and that will take you further with the sign up process. Now, we understand that many nuances involved when doing the sign up with any affiliate marketing network out there, so don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Sovereign Commerce affiliate account. You'll find the link in video description. Click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself free Sovereign Commerce affiliate account. Once you got the account, again you can come to the website. This time, hover over sign in, click on commerce. It will take you to the sign in page, enter your credential or continue with Google, and then it will take you to the publisher dashboard. Over here, you would be able to find different affiliate programs, not just the affiliate program of Alo Yoga, but we're gonna keep the focus of the video on the affiliate program of Alo Yoga only. To find the affiliate program, simply click on commerce, and once you've clicked on commerce, you can click on merchants, which will then take you to the preferred merchant section. Over here, you can click on merchant. Then it will show you all the merchants available at Soman Commerce platform. Over here within the search bar, you can start typing Alo, followed by an enter. And then it will load all the affiliate program with the name Alo, and you would be able to see them in here. So from here, try to find Alo Yoga. As you can see, Alo Yoga, you can click on the hyperlink. It will open up this overlay window. Now, this is where you would be able to see the details related to the affiliate program. So over here, you can see the commission rate, 10%. That's generous. That means whatever sale you're going to bring to them, they're going to give you 10% as the commission on that sale amount. And if you click on network rates, you'll see 10% on the full payout. And then domains, you can basically create tracking link from any of the web page available on aloyoga.com. Then comes countries. So these are all the countries we talked about. These are basically the countries they usually ship to, and they're fine with giving commission if you bring sales to them from the consumers of any of these countries. And then they got description just in case if you want to read, just for better understanding. Let's say you have read it all and you want to become part of the affiliate program. Usually what happens whenever you join any other affiliate marketing network out there, you must be applying to the respective programs once again after you've become part of the affiliate marketing network. In our case, we don't have to do that. That's the beauty of Soman Commerce. So long as you've been approved by Soman Commerce, you can basically promote any of the brand available in the network. That's awesome. Now, how do you promote them? you can't just take any link from the website. Let's say you want to promote this new arrivals link. Can you just take this link and share it with your audience? Well, it won't work. You have to use tracking link. Now, how do you get or create your tracking link? For that, you can copy this URL or any of the URL that you want to create tracking link for. Come to the overlay window once again of Alo Yoga that we were looking at. Click on create a link. Over here, you can choose your site and then enter your URL within the product URL section. It will quickly check and will show you whether you're eligible. Most of the times you will be eligible, as I mentioned. And then you can give it a name. So I'm going to mention it here, Alo Yoga website. And then you can, this is content URL. If you want to enter, you can do that. Otherwise, you can simply click on create. As a beginner, I would only recommend selecting a site, entering product URL, and of course the link name, and then simply click on create. When you do that, your tracking link has been created and it has been copied already to your clipboard. Now, if I paste it here, you see this is my URL, the tracking link. And if I share this URL with any of my audience, with my traffic, and when they click on it, if they buy something, I get commission. As you can see, it took us to exactly the same page that we were looking at, the new arrivals at Alo Yoga. So this is how you can basically create tracking link of any of the web page of Alo Yoga. All right, so let's say you created the link. Now you want to check all the links that you have created, basically your tracking link. For that, you can click on create, and within create links, over here, you would be able to see all your created links. So let me refresh since I just created a tracking link for Alo Yoga. So I should be able to see that in here. As you can see, Alo Yoga website. So this is how you can create a tracking link, and that's up to you. You can directly share these links with your audience, with your traffic, or you can integrate it from the backend of your website. As I said, up to you. All right, so next question arises, where can you promote them? Even with the tracking link, you should know where to promote them, correct? There are many ways, but still I'm gonna cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you have been approved by Alo Yoga, you can promote them anywhere on your website, maybe homepage, maybe category page, any specific section that could interest your audience, you can do that. Blog. Now, blog could be amazing here because you could write blog posts about different wear of Alo Yoga and put your tracking link about that where within the blog post it is for when people would read. If they would be interested, they'll click on the link to buy it, you get commission. Third way is social media. Now, social media could be great here because you could create a lot of content. You can influence people. Maybe you create some videos yourself. You buy some of the items of Alo Yoga and then you create videos. You kind of show them how these look. And doing so, if they like the product and if they will be interested, maybe you can put your tracking link somewhere within the video description or the comment. So people when click, they'll buy it. As usual, you'll get commission. Similar to that, you can also create reels, stories, posts, totally up to you. Social media basically gives you a lot of creative ways. Fourth way is women's fitness websites. Let's say as an affiliate, you got such a website, then you'll be lucky. Basically, these websites are meant to promote brands like Alo Yoga. So maybe create a standalone section on your website in case if you have women's fitness website, just for yoga category page. When someone would click on it, they would be able to see all your brands and especially Alo Yoga being featured over there. So as you have guessed it, they'll come to that section of your website, and if they like Alo Yoga, they'll click on it. And as usual, if they buy any of the product, you get commission. You might want to integrate the products of Alo Yoga as well on your website. So this way they will have the visuals, they can click and they can buy. So these are some of the ways you can promote Alo Yoga. The next question arises, where would you see performance? Let's say you started bringing sales to them and you started generating a commission. For that, you can come to the Someone Commerce dashboard again. This time, click on Commerce, click on Analytics, and click on Overview. Update your date range, other filters, and you would be able to see your revenue, sales, clicks, earning per click, and all the bifurcation if you scroll down. If you click on Revenue, you'll see even more details. You'll see revenue, clicks, sales, conversion rate, EPC, click-through rate, page views. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the performance by different brands. And same way you can check the content performance, link performance, merchandise performance. So this is how you can check your performance. What about the commission? All the commission that has been accumulated, you can expect to receive from Solvent Commerce. How do you get it? You have to update your payment settings. And to update your payment settings, you can look at the bottom left hand side and over here click on this icon, and from here click on payment. Then it will take you to the payment settings page. Over here you will be first at the address tab. You can give your address details, followed by click on next. Then it will take you to the payment method section. Over here you have all these payment methods available that you could choose from. You got local bank transfer, wire transfer. If you select any of these, you have to give your banking details. You got check, and doing so you will receive check at your given address. PayPal, which I prefer the most, is you select PayPal, you give your PayPal email address and expect to receive commission from someone commerce. And if you prefer, you can also hold your payments, basically commission, and expect to receive it anytime you want in the future. Once you have selected the payment method and have given the details accordingly, you can simply click on next. That will take you to the text form selection. Select the form accordingly and then click on next, and finally you'll be done at the done step. So this is how you can update your payment method and expect to receive commission from someone commerce that you must have accumulated. And all your payment history, you would be able to see it if you click on payment history section from here. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Alo Yoga. You promote them, you start bringing sales to them, and you start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Alo Yoga. And as an affiliate, if you want to grow or if you want to learn better, there are some amazing resources that I have created for you. They are free as well as premium resources. You'll find them in the video description. You might want to get any of those. As I say, they are free available as well. While you're exploring any of those resources, or in case if you have any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for this thing. Thanks for watching.